This is Kelly, a 10-year-old boy from Nyakabanda, a neighborhood southwest of Kigali, Rwanda. Against all odds, Kelly's life story continues to inspire. Each day, Kelly rises with the African sun, ready to face a world that is both silent and dark to him. Living with blindness, deafness, speech, and mobility challenges, Kelly's world is different from ours, but his spirit remains unbroken. With the help of his devoted mother, who is unemployed and single-handedly takes care of 4 children, Kelly navigates his day. Her hands are his eyes, her words his ears, her heart his guide.
Umubyeyi biramvuna, birangora, ari nanjye njyenyine ubikora nta wundi muntu umfasha. Kujya kwa muganga, kwari ukumuheka, ukagenda muri bisi ararira. Byari ibintu bigoye. Kugera naho umuntu yashoboraga kukubwira ariko byabaga ari nko kugukomeretsa. Umva umuntu akubwira ati ariko se ubundi icyo ni igihetse. Imyaka yose ndi nawe nakireka. Se uzabaho nabi, uzasabiriza, uzakora ibibi byose kubera uyu mwana. Ariko hari uwanjye kandi mukunda, umva ntago binshine.
For Kelly, the world is a symphony of touch and smell. Even though his vision is dim, his sense of discovery is radiant. Every object he touches, every scent he inhales, is a journey into the unknown. Amidst his challenges, Kelly also battles a liver condition, but in the face of adversity, he is resilient. His day is a testament to his tenacity. Kelly is not defined by his conditions. He is a loving brother and a source of strength for his siblings. They are his biggest cheerleaders, and he is their champion. Despite his hardships, Kelly finds joy in the simplicity of life. The rustle of leaves under his hands, the scent of rain in the air, these are the melodies and lyrics of his world. But Kelly's story is far from over. His ongoing needs are a mountain to climb every day, a mountain that we can help reduce.
Ikintu cyose kiragoye. Mbonye rero umuvuzi akavurwa natwe ubuzima bukagenda neza, umuntu agasubira mu mirimo nubwo ntaho umuntu aba afite ari buhere, nabyo byadufasha.
Kelly's resilience and joy remind us that even in darkness, light can be found. And now, he needs our help to shine even brighter. With your support, we can help provide for Kelly's ongoing needs and let his inspiring journey continue. Will you join us in supporting Kelly's fight?